Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to Amiji's Kitchen. I hope you guys are doing great and enjoying your summer. The recipe I'm sharing with you guys, it's very unique recipe. Young kids might not know about this vegetable, and if your parents are from Punjab, they must know this vegetable and they must love this vegetable. This is called mongre, and I was unable to find the seeds for white radish, which is Indian radish. Then I decided to use the regular radish seeds, like these ones. So these mongre are the seeds of these radishes. I let these radishes overgrow for 4 weeks, and after 4 weeks, it start giving me the flowers and these seeds. These are called radish pods as well. I have not eaten this vegetable since I came here. It's almost 30 years, and I'm so excited. I will be lucky to have this vegetable in North America first time in my life after so many years, and I enjoyed every single step since the day I saw these seeds. I was coming outside and watching the steps, watching growing it, and when I saw the seeds, I was so excited. And today it's time to harvest. And look at this, they're so pretty, fresh, and it's giving me so much happiness and joy. I just want to look at this video over and over. So this is my total harvest for today, and I will make it with you guys. The cooking process is very simple, like other vegetables. You don't need many ingredients for this vegetable. So let's start it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So turn on your stove to high heat. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. If you prefer, you can use less oil. 1/4 cup of fried onions. 1 teaspoon of ginger. 1 teaspoon of garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 full-size tomato. Add a little bit of water to make a batter paste. Cover it with your lid. As you can see, the paste is almost ready. First of all, I will add my potatoes in there. So in order to get like coated, if I will add together, then potatoes will not have enough coating and enough flavor in there. I will just saute it for a couple of minutes. So it's almost done. Now I will add my vegetable in there. I prefer to chop them a little bit. Do not grind them. Some people cut them, but I prefer to chop them to have to enhance the flavor, because when they're chopped, you can get the most flavor. So mix it really well and cover it with the lid and cook it until all the water is dried up. So it's almost ready. As you can see, there's no water. So here you go, aloo mongre is ready. Potato is cooked. Now I will dish it out. I can't wait until I try this salad. So since this vegetable is not available in the market and you can try this right away, but hope for the best. You can grow your own next year and you can try it and you will love it. Look at this, it looks so good. And this is So finally, hard work is paid off. I'm eating this salan after many years. I wish I can share it with you guys, but it's not possible. I'm eating with tandoori roti. It's best combination. You can eat with paratha and pulka as well. It's up to you. I hope you guys will like it, and see you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye Allah Hafiz. Fi aman Allah.